Hello everyone, I am Dr. Reggie from the Department of History, Holy Cross College. Today we are going to see some important aspects of the archaeological sites found in India. India is a country of rich and varied heritage. From the time immemorial, India is treasured with a larger history. Therefore, it is having a lot of archaeological sites throughout its length and breadth. Thanks to the efforts of British archaeologists, we found many important archaeological sites all through India. Indus Valley civilization or Indus Valley sites from the northwestern part of India to Keeladi and Arikamedu in the southern tip of India. The important sites that we are going to see in this class are Indus Valley sites, Nalanda, Dwaraka, Arikamedu, Adichanallur, Kodumanal, Tirukambuliyur, Alagankulam, Korkai, Keeladi and so on. The excavations at Harappa and Mohenjo-daro done by Sir John Marshall along with Dayaram Shahani and R.G. Banerjee in the year 1922 exposed a new avenues in the history of India. It shifted the history of India nearly 3000 years back. Harappa is there in the Punjab province of Pakistan at present and situated in 250 kilometers away from Lahore. Mohenjo-daro, which is known as the Mount of the Death, is situated in the Sindh province of present-day Pakistan. Other sites of the Indus Valley civilization are Satkako, Changudara, Rakikaki, Kanvariwala, Dholavira, Sarkotada, Kalibangan, Lothal, the port city, and so on. Important features of this Indus Valley sites are as follows. As per the radiocarbon dating, the date of these Indus Valley sites are fixed from 2350 BC to 1700 BC. The area covered by these sites are in the Indus River basin located the northwestern frontier province of British India and the present day Punjab region and Pakistan. The most important feature of these sites are its town planning. The people of that region used burnt bricks for the construction of their home. The roads and the streets were wide and straight. They cut each other in right angle. All the houses are having bathroom and they had closed drainage system. Because of the excavation, we could conclude that the people of Indus Valley civilization used rice, wheat, and barley, even meat for their daily food. They domesticated animals. They wore cotton and woolen dress. Women of Indus Valley civilization give importance to beautification. Both men and women wore ornaments too. The industries developed in the Indus Valley civilization were weaving, pottery, and jewelry making. They had both internal and external trade. From the Indus sites, we have collected more than 4,000 seals which have animal symbols also. In those seals, there is a script, but they are not yet deciphered. According to some archaeologists and historians, they are Dravidian race people. Some historian said that they are Aryans in race. Flood in the Indus rivers, or might be drought, or external expeditions, or might be the migration would be the cause for the end of Indus Valley civilization. Other important sites of India are Nalanda. This Nalanda is a Buddhist site which was used as a university. In this university, many Buddhist scholars from China, Japan, and Sri Lanka studied. Dwaraka is an underwater site which was excavated by S.R. Rao from the western coast of India. This city was considered to be founded by Lord Krishna. Arikamedu near Pondicherry is a site during the Sangam period, and this site was excavated by Mortimer Wheeler, who proved the Roman trade between the Sangam site with the help of the excavated pottery and numismatics found here. Adichanallur is a prehistoric place excavated or located on the banks of Tamrabarani river in Thoothukudi district. The urn burials proved the megalithic culture of Tamil people. Kodumanal, which is in Erode district on the banks of river Noyal, also proved the Roman trade contacts of early Tamil people. Tirukampaliyur, which is located on the Kaveri Delta region, is a Paleolithic site. Alahankulam on the Vaigai Basin in Ramanathapuram district, there are so many Roman coins found there, and these Roman coins prove the trade contact between the early Tamils and the Romans. Again, Korkai, which is considered as a Paleolithic site located on the banks of Tamarabarani river in Thoothukudi district. Here also we found so many urn burials which belong to the Paleolithic age. Keeladi, which is an important excavated area during the contemporary period from the Sivaganga district on the Vaigai Delta. We have excavated many buildings which could have been used as houses, urns, pottery, jewelry, and many more. With this, we could come to a conclusion that the Paleolithic or prehistoric sites and the coins found in the Tamil Nadu state regions prove the early settlements of people in Tamil Nadu. With this, one could prove the relation or the connection between the Indus Valley civilization and the early Paleolithic civilization of Tamil Nadu. If the script of these two regions are deciphered, we could come to a firm conclusion. Thank you.